Hey, Bob here. I just glued in the sound port side reinforcement lamination, and this is how I clamp it up. I do put a piece of tape over the curved liners on the bottom so that any glue that drips down doesn't get into those liners too far. Here's the simple setup. Taped a little block here to give me a better angle for clamping. And I've got a Jorgensen clamp, pony clamp here. Jorgensen pony clamp on there. 6-inch steel clamp and two 4-inch steel clamps. And plop this up here. Just Titebond original. And here are my rags, my glue brush, my wooden glue clearing chisels. Here's some more. And some more over here. Use them all the time. And that's it. So that's all glued up now. It's about lunchtime. This camera is just really acting weird focus-wise. But there you go. So I'll let this set overnight. I will remove the clamps in about 10 minutes and do a little bit more cleaning up with a wet rag. And then I'll put the clamps back in place. That side will be 2 is the original side, Brazilian rosewood side, and the glue up is 1.6, so the total there will be 3.6 millimeters, and that's where the oval will be cut out. Okay. All right, just a short video. Bob signing out.